This video will show you how to install the Smart Garage Camera. Check the compatibility of your existing garage door by ensuring that the Learn button is either green, red, or orange. If your garage door's Learn button is purple or you don't have one, locate the wires that lead to the wall button. Then, short the terminal by touching both terminal screws with pliers or by inserting a wire. If the garage door opens or closes, the camera is fully compatible. Once you have tested the compatibility of your camera, start by turning your power off at the breaker. Locate the terminals that are connected to the garage door's wall button. Use a screwdriver to connect the motor control connector to these terminals. Please note that the order of the wires does not matter. Next, mount the camera. Use the bracket to mark the positions for the screws. Then, drill 2 holes on those marks if mounting to a surface other than wood or siding. Insert the mounting anchors and secure the mounting bracket. Then, secure the camera to the mounting bracket. Install the sensor with the wire attached by running the wire along the door's belt or chain. Secure the sensor without the wire to the top of your garage door. Secure the sensor with the wire to the frame of your garage, leaving no more than a ½ inch between the two sensors. Ensure that the sensors are not touching. Connect the sensor as well as the motor control cable to the back of the camera. Then, connect the USB-C cable to the back of the camera and plug it in. Restore your power at the breaker.